You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, so let's learn how to pronounce this name. I know it exists in Italian as well, but we're talking about the Japanese name of those manga anime studios. Ghibli. Ghibli is how it's said in Japanese, Ghibli, but in English, so you have a hard G, Ghibli, okay? The Japanese cannot pronounce the L, just the same, so they more pronounce it like a rolled R, Ghibli, Ghibli, that's how the Japanese say it. But in English, Ghibli, as in Studio Ghibli, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.